Hello friends, this is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present one of the artificial intelligence topic, that is basically the community detection. Community detection is one of the field which is very much popular for the PhD and MTech research work. Now most of you might be thinking that what exactly the community detection is. This is the process of discovering the cohesive groups or clusters in the network, which is known as community detection. It means in any of the data set or any of the information bundle, when you are forming some groups or some clusters, that is basically called the community detection. It can be for any of the data set. It can be for medical field, it can be for real-time applications, it can be for data mining approaches. There are number of options available over there. Basically it is termed by the study of the complex networks. So network is said to be the community structure in which the information is connected to each other in the form of the group, and a number of sets are being connected to each other, right? So to extract the information that which data is grouped to which of the cluster, that is basically comes under the community detection. So it is an integral part of a graph theory. So the guys or the people who are aware about the graph theory, they can better understand this topic. So let's have a look what exactly we have done. We have done it for the different data set. It is for the Jackass Karate Club, dolphins, social networking. Especially in the social networking, it is very much popular for the Facebook and all. So community detection, you can read out the papers also. We have done for the crab books, crab American college football. So these are the 4 dataset that we have used, and give the option to the user that on whatever the dataset he or she want to work with, they can select when they are going to run it, right? So when I'm going to run it, I just want to tell you that what exactly we have done. We have used 2 optimization algorithm. One is basically a simple model, and second one is the hybrid model. We have used the FWA optimization algorithm for this. So let's have a look what exactly we have done. When I'm going to run this, it will firstly ask me to select one of the data set on which I want to work with. For example, I'm going to select the first one. So these data sets are taken from the internet, that is used for the classification or the research purpose. You can see the optimization algorithm is processed and NMI is calculated, and also the fitness is calculated in terms of the performance factors. Even the clusters are being calculated, that how many clusters are still found under the community detection by using this particular algorithm. Once it is done, the second phase of this particular code will start implementing, which will have the hybridization of optimization algorithm with the Chautic algorithm, right? So FWA algorithm is being implemented here. So initialization of parameters is done, then initial population is generation, evaluation of fitness is done. You can see at end we have given the result with the FWA, the normal version, and the proposed FWA Chautic. With respect to iterations, the NMI is being calculated, the fitness is being calculated, both are compared to each other. So they are presenting that how the community is being detected by using the optimization algorithm. To get the more details regarding the FW algorithm, you can contact us directly. Even the hybridization of the optimization is very much trending these days, not in the community detection but also in rest of the problems. Those are basically can be solved and comes under the NP hard problem, right? So the whole code is implemented in the MATLAB, and every iterative result is being analyzed and compared to understand the concepts of the community detection, and to implement the swarm intelligence in the particular field. So this comes under the machine learning, artificial intelligence topics, and as per the recent graph theories. So in social networking, these algorithms are very much popular and very much attaining the interest by the researchers, right? So I hope you people like this video, and for more information feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.